So a few weeks ago, I could barely finish a project. But this time round, I completed my full clinic website with HTML, CSS, and some little JavaScript concept, and also uploaded it on GitHub. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I built the project, what I learned, and why finishing one single project is more important than building projects and never finishing them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Barak, I'm a junior developer documenting my journey. I started this channel when I was a complete beginner, but along the consistency, I'm learning some little new things. If you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel, because in this video, I'll be showing you how I built and completed my first ever project as a junior developer, the challenges that I faced, the mistake that I made, and how I conquered everything from the features to the designs to the layout to the responsiveness, everything. So if you are new, consider subscribing so that you won't miss any single piece of our work. And if you're also a junior developer, just follow in along our DevRise community where we'll learn as junior developers and grow. So stick into the video, subscribe, and let's get in.
Let's open our project and we shall be seeing every single thing that we built. So here is our project file. We have the HTML file here. We have the CSS file and the JavaScript file. So what inspired me to build this basically is because in my hometown, I have some neighborhood that it's a clinic. So I decided to just do something that can relate to real world clients. So let's try to preview our results. They shall go in everything step by step. And if you look here, you see that I built everything from scratch. The HTML codes, the nav bar, the button, the sections, and everything was just me and HTML and CSS, because I really didn't encode a lot of JavaScript because I'm still learning, and most of it is just HTML and CSS. I guess you can see the roots. So I tried to pick these colors because they match the hospital brand. Yeah, so I guess you can see all the codes, everything. There are so many, we can't explain each right now, but let's see our website. So here it is. Here we have our navigation bar where we have the emergency button, and if you click on it, it will just notify the user that we are going to call you very soon, which increases the user experience, making our website to feel alive. Here we have the location, you have the contact, we have the about, and you have the biography. And if you click each link, it will direct you to the exact page. Let's try out. If we click here the about, you shall see that we come here, Biography Health Center, and it's showing it's talking something about them. If you see, come here on contact, it will direct us on the footer, which is having all the details, all the numbers and links. If you come here on location, well, we don't have Wi-Fi right now, so the map actually was encoded in this. Everything was encoded here. Yeah, but because right now I don't have internet, it's not showing, but the map was there. So, and we have our form where you can place your details and you book appointments. But if you click when you haven't submitted anything, you see that it's telling you, please fill out this field. And here we also have our email, our problem, and our message. Also here we have everything like that. So if you come here on the home page, here we have our button that can, if you click it, it will take you directly here where you can see and view our pharmacy details. And we have some words here, have our doctor. And then if you scroll, you're going to see that we are having the about page showing the Biography Health Center and all the some small details. And if you click on this button, you see that there's some good hover effect that's on it. Yeah, and some dotted lines, perfect and smooth. Yeah, so if you scroll down, here we have the explore drugs, where we have our neurology, first aid and dissension, men's fitness, women's health. It's just part of what drug categories and supplements that the cleaning supplies. Yeah, so they are not buttons, they're just section, small tables to show the drug categories. And if you come here, we're having little details about our medication branch, about how you can book appointment, and our pharmacist who is ready to speak to you. And you scroll, there's the about page, and this is where I encrypted some JavaScript where you can click here and read more, and it will bring some details. It's not really easy as a junior developer, but always we scratch our heads just to get things done. Yeah, so click it, it goes back, and the JavaScript logic is here where we declared everything, read more and everything here, and then we added some if and else if statements just to ensure that everything works well. Yeah, so if you scroll down here, there's the book appointment. So this session is one of the hardest that were hard for me, in a sense that I had to create a form twice because I had created the first one but it wasn't looking good, so I deleted it and tried this one instead. So if you scroll down here, we have these small details about our achievements, where we have 250k plus has been approved, 10 years of experience plus, 99% satisfaction, and resume added. And down here you can see that you have small boxes here, and these boxes, they're actually links to our map, where we shall just put here a quick link to every branch that we have around Kampala. And then here down we have need trusted. It's just a small note, and this view branch can redirect you again to our page pharmacy. And down here we have our quick links, where we have the home, it takes you there, where we have the contacts, us, emergency calls, our working hours, and every detail like that. So I want to show you its GitHub profile, because I told you that we just uploaded it on GitHub and it's there. So let's go and check it out. Here we are on our GitHub repository dashboard, and if you are just new to GitHub, I would kindly advise you to start with Git basics and then you go to GitHub. It's beginner friendly. I haven't mastered it all. Yeah, I've just mastered some basics of uploading my project. So if you come here is the project. If you click on it, it will show you everything. So this is how I named it, front end for Bioglody Clinic. If you come here down and scroll, you see that we have our images, files, all our images that we used in this project, and we have our index.html script and style. And if you really open them, if you click on them, it will try to redirect you to all the codes that I used, because if you watch closely, you realize that there are some codes that I used here in my index.html. You see that they're exactly the same. If you see, you'll realize that they are exactly the same. This is because when you commit your project and you push it to GitHub, actually it's the same version of that project that will be saved. You can make changes on your local computer, but what will enhance the changes and ensure that it's safe, that's where Git comes in. You save it locally first, then you push it to GitHub, which is their online repository. So just picture GitHub as the online repository and Git as the local repository. And the good thing about GitHub is that it enhances your capability to share your codes with other teams. So if you scroll here, you'll just see the codes that I used, everything. Yeah, so it's helping me in case this laptop gets any problem right now. Everything will be safe because it is saved on GitHub. And if you see here, if you view the CSS, you'll see that it's exactly the same, exactly, because I committed them and I pushed them to GitHub. And also the small JavaScript that I used is basically here. So let's go back to our project. I want to show something. If you come here, you realize that the map, everything has loaded, the font and our map, because our internet is back. And I want us to view the responsiveness of this project. So I don't want you guys to judge me because I'm also still a beginner. Yeah, I just want your feedback in the comment section. So if you come here, responsiveness, you click here on responsiveness. Let's adjust it accordingly so that you have enough. Yeah, so this is its responsiveness. This is it. Though here it's adjusting, but exactly on big screen and small screen, it will just adapt accordingly to look good. So I want us to see how responsive this is. If we decrease our size, in case someone is viewing it on the tablet, you'll see that things are adjusting accordingly. And here it hasn't broken, I think. Yeah, it's okay there. And if we continue decreasing, you see that when it reaches here on a certain level, things will be like they're overlapping now. And once it reaches there, we do something called mobile mentality. When you decrease it, you see that it has adjusted. Everything returns into columns, because someone who is using a tablet will have at least to view something good which is not overlapping for them to stay. Because once someone visits a website, if you don't get them in the first 2 seconds, man, you're done. So this is it responsiveness. Let's view mobile phone like an iPhone XR. You'll see that it's adjusting accordingly. Even the map is actually adjusting accordingly. This is the beauty of understanding CSS Flexbox, and everything is good and like that. Yeah, so
basically this project was inspired to me by our neighbors, cause where I live we have some clinic, but they don't really have a serious website. So I just built it in order to face real world experience as a junior developer, to get my hands on and build something real that a real client can use in real world. So you have seen the project, and I believe this project is not perfect, but what matters most is the learning, the growing and improving into every single project that we build as junior developers. So if you're also learning, consider subscribing and joining our community, where we learn every day as junior developers and grow together. So this was just part of what we do every week. We release videos explaining our journey and everything that we do. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And I appreciate you for watching this video till the end, and I'll surely catch you in the next one.